Right, so this is Brian, and he's going to talk us through the bottle bomb.
Well, basically it's a 1.5 litre Coke bottle, and we've put over 45 cascades into this thing.
Cascades or the gunpowder within the cascades?
Oh, the gunpowder within the cascade. This thing's
Understandable.
Gonna go boom. This is gonna
Right.
fucking...
Shall we have a look then?
Yep, let's go for it.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Come on, cuzzies. Do you want to do the honours, Dan? You got the lighter for it.
Did you just say I want to die?
Do you want to do the honours?
Yeah, because you want to die or something, did he say?
Because you've got the lighter.
Oh.
Hear what you want to hear. Imagine what blows this way.
Use that little...
Yeah, last time it went. Yeah.
Nice bomb, Dan.
Yeah. That's what I did last time. Brian's like, get back, and I was like, viewing window from back here.
Kids at home,
Yeah. Let's just
give this a go. Why not?
Right, it's going to move anyway, look at mine.
Yeah, how it plays that way. If it was being kind of like that.
Alright.
Hold up, bro.
This is going to be so much bigger than the last one.
Turn the lights off. Ready?
Hold on.
Is this not like we're going to do?
No.
You ready?
Hold on. Yes.